Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone looking to preserve important documents and photos, the Fellowes Spectra 95 Laminator with Pouch Starter Kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Fellowes Spectra 95? This user-friendly laminator is designed to make the laminating process seamless and straightforward. With a 9.5-inch entry width, it can handle a variety of documents and photos, accommodating sheets up to 5 mils thick. Whether you're looking to laminate school projects, work presentations, or cherished family photos, this machine is up for the task. Now, let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. One of the most appealing aspects of the Fellowes Spectra 95 is its quick warm-up time. It's ready to go in just 4 minutes, allowing you to start laminating without a long wait. This is particularly beneficial for busy individuals who don't have the luxury of time to spare. Additionally, the laminator boasts advanced temperature control technology, which ensures that you achieve consistent, high-quality results every time. It offers heat settings specifically for both 3mm and 5mm hot pouches, giving you flexibility depending on the thickness you need for your projects. This feature is especially handy if you're working with different types of materials and need to switch between them frequently. Another practical feature is the release lever. If you accidentally misalign a pouch while laminating, this lever allows you to disengage it easily for recentering or removal. It's a small but thoughtful addition that can save you from potential frustration. Safety is also a priority with the Fellowes Spectra 95. It includes an auto shutoff feature that conserves energy and protects against overheating. This is especially important if you tend to get caught up in your projects and might forget to turn off the machine when you're finished. So who is this laminator suitable for? The Fellowes Spectra 95 is an excellent choice for home users, families, and small business owners alike. If you're a teacher looking to laminate educational materials or a parent wanting to preserve your child's artwork, this machine offers the convenience and quality you need. Small business owners can benefit as well, whether you're creating professional-looking presentations or protecting important documents from wear and tear. Let's talk about some practical use cases for this laminator. Imagine you're preparing for a big presentation at work. You can laminate your slides and handouts to ensure they look polished and professional. Or perhaps you're looking to create a family calendar or a menu for a special event. Laminating these items not only enhances their appearance but also makes them more durable and spill-resistant. Craft enthusiasts will also find plenty of uses for the Fellowes Spectra 95. Whether you're making bookmarks, personalized gifts, or decorative signs, this laminator can help elevate your projects to the next level. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Fellowes Spectra 95 Laminator with Pouch Starter Kit is a versatile and efficient tool that meets the needs of various users, from teachers and parents to small business owners and craft lovers. With its quick warm-up time, advanced temperature control, and user-friendly features, it truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.